Hey, welcome back to the Odd Rod Garage. Really glad you guys came by to see us. And today is Wild Car Wednesday, and this is going to be one that will turn something that's not a car into a car, because I like doing that kind of stuff. So first off, you need to know that there used to be an awesome car designer named Ed Big Daddy Roth, and he's passed away and no longer with us, but some of his creations set the standard for what is considered to be custom cars today. Well, one of the cars that he built and designed and ended up hating was a car called the Wishbone, and hopefully you'll see a picture of the Wishbone right now. But he designed the car, built it all up, and really didn't like it, and so he cut it into pieces, threw it away. A friend of his came over and said, "Hey, do you mind if I take this?" He said, "Yeah, but you can never put it back together." Well, that person put it back together and took it out on the show circuit, and it was very successful. But it was such a unique, interesting, weird design. I've always loved it. So I have something behind me right here that I'm going to show you that I think is along the same lines, or at least I'm going to design it that way. So let me show you what we have. All right, this right here is called an Invader. Check out that cool logo. And I don't know, it's just so nerdy, so cool. It's just a little utility vehicle like you'd see for someone running out in the woods or taking care of a trailer park or who knows what. Has a little engine in there, you'll see. And this bed here is a dump bed. It flips up so you can haul trash and whatnot. Has a little tailgate there on it that you can pull up. You'll notice the ATV style tires on it. So this is something you would just cruise around, almost like a golf cart. It doesn't really have any gauges. It does have a rear view mirror. Has the spotlight. And it's just a little two-seater. And not anything very powerful at all. I just think it's funky. By now you guys probably know I like funky things. So I think that this is a John Deere, but maybe that's just because someone painted it green, but I think it's the original color green. It has a Cyclops headlight, and it has the spotlight on it. And it looks to me like the spotlight is original to it, but maybe just someone put it in there, I don't know. I think those are the original seats. I think it's the original steering wheel. Let's see if it says Invader on the steering wheel center. It does not say Invader. I have no idea in the world what it says. Anyway, you gotta love the green AstroTurf. That's nice carpeting, but you know, it's an exterior type utility vehicle, so that would be common. And this is the bed, so you'd have places, and you see I have things in there already. But just like I was talking to you about Ed Big Daddy Roth, it's the shape and the style of it that I think would be really cool. And I think I'm going to draw you up a picture that would probably be a little different than what you see here. So during the filming of this Wild Car Wednesday, I got a call from my wife. She was talking to me about refinancing the house, doing the paperwork for that. And while I was talking to her, I got a phone call from the appraiser. And let me tell you, that appraiser is crazy. She came by, she was really nice, she was awesome. But I got to talking to her about the Odd Rod Garage. She said she's going to subscribe. So if she doesn't, so I'm going to run on inside. I'm going to dig up some photos of the Wishbone by Ed Big Daddy Roth and get that taken care of. I'm going to do a drawing for you, or a couple of drawings, just some ideas. Maybe a sketch around, a doodle to see what we want it to look like. Anyway, I'm going to run on inside. I'll get it taken care of, and follow me on in. All right. Well, thanks for following me in the house. We can do a little drawing, a little imagining. And the appraiser's name is Amber. Amber, you need to send me a comment here on the YouTube channel so I know you actually subscribed. Anyway, we're going to get started on the Invader. This will be a little bit different. I hope you enjoy it. All right. Yes, it's along the lines of the Wishbone. That's where I got the idea. But I think it's going to sort of be cool just using a few parts and pieces off that and making a rear engine, transverse mounted, dual quad, and have the two scoops facing forward. I think it'd be interesting. I think it'd be something different. And it'd be a fun little screamer around town. So that is the Invader. All right, so that would be a weird little car just to scoot around in. Obviously extremely impractical. Right along the odd rod idea of things. Almost looks like a sleigh. So maybe it'd be a sleigh instead of the Invader, who knows. But it is called an Invader, so that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, I appreciate you guys coming by. It looks like we're on track to get the merchandise store open the 1st of June. Hopefully everything goes well there. We really appreciate you coming and doing this, checking it out. Thanks for all the subscriptions. Bear with us as we finish up a couple of these trucks and we'll get started on the giveaway trucks. And we can start having some fun with that. Maybe one of you guys will win the truck of your dreams, or who knows. Anyway, as usual, thanks for watching.